You go into a bar. You're there with your friends, and like many bars in Columbia, the music's just blaring, which would be completely fine with you if you actually liked the music that was playing. But you try to endure it, but you can only stand Justin Bieber and Nickelback for so long. So you decide to take your services elsewhere. UJuke will allow you, along with other UJuke app users, to choose from the bar's Spotify playlist which songs to play. So the users will essentially become the bar's DJs.
All right. Hi, guys. My name is Brian Seiske. I'm one of the developers on the team. I'm a junior. So I'm going to take a walk through the technical side of our application. So ideally how this would work is the store or bar or wherever would buy the iBeacons from us and set them up and set up a playlist wherever they're hosting them in the bar. So let's just say it's a bar for now. So when they set it up, if the user has our app, they'll walk into the bar and they'll get a notification that this is one of the locations where they can use their app. So then they'll open it up and they'll see this first screen up here, which is the playlist. It also shows what's playing, and it has a little star next to it so that if you like the song, you can favorite it. So now they scroll through the playlist and they can see who voted for what. And then if they want to vote for a song on the second screen here, they can swipe to the left and they can either vote for that song or favorite it. Now, when a song is voted for, it's put in the queue. Every song that gets a vote will eventually be played, but we play the song with the most votes first, obviously, in a democracy sense. Then, so the first screen is what the most popular songs are. But if you want to see all the songs on the playlist that this bar has, you scroll over to the library screen, and that way you can organize the songs by artist, song, or album, and then favorite or vote for whatever song on the whole playlist you would like to see. And then the fourth screen you see is our favorite screen. So if you favorite a song, it'll show up later, even when you leave the bar, in your favorite section. And we're hoping as a potential add-on to maybe link it up to iTunes where you could purchase the song later. Is that good? Okay.
Okay, so the points of differentiation. Our app will have a voting system. Users will be able to vote on whatever song that they like that is in the predetermined playlist. And we would like the app to be free. Our customers are bars, and we would like for them to pay a subscription so that this can be possible. iBeacon gives us a security dome, and so when users leave the radius of the iBeacon, they are denied access to the playlist and the library of that bar. However, they have access to their favorites and the information of those songs and their favorites through Wi-Fi and 3G. We also have time limits on the playlist so that the same song isn't played over and over and over again.
So the potential customers for this app, right now we're solely focusing on bars and so bar owners, and eventually we would like to expand to restaurants, cafes, or anywhere that has these predetermined playlists. Like certain stores have playlists that'll just loop for hours, so we would like to avoid that. And we're also thinking about event venues such as convention centers and other places like that. And then also festivals, such music festivals, and and for expansion, after this app hopefully takes off, internally, we would like to allow users to vote to skip a song. And we would also like to establish voting modes. Currently, the voting mode that we just showed you would be democracy, but we would like to establish a voting mode that would be called anarchy, which means the first person who votes on the first song gets it and it gets played. And then to make some more money, we've also thought about having users pay for extra votes so they can vote for more than one song at a time. And also, since in the bar scenario, when they go up to the bar and buy a couple of drinks, that could also be another way to rack up votes. And also, it would give the bar more of an incentive for our app. And also, as Brian previously mentioned, we'd like the ability for people to buy music right off the app eventually. And externally, we would like other devices to be able to use our app rather than just the iPhone, so we would expand to Android, and also for like places like cafes, we would like to expand to laptops and tablets. And that's all. Thank you very much.